Stop overcomplicating Go High Level AI. Truth is, you can land clients with one ridiculously simple offer. It fixes real business problems, sets up in minutes, needs no ongoing work, and practically sells itself for you. The best part is I've turned this entire offer and system into a Go High Level snapshot, and it is yours free down below. The first thing I need to do is show you this AI asset and what's in this amazing snapshot that I built for you for free. But the most important part about this process is the why, okay, which I'm going to be covering right after I show this. So please watch it. Because if you don't understand why this is a powerful offer and you don't see the data I've laid out, you're not going to sell a lot of this. You have to understand the why. So please pay super close attention. Get your notes out. You have to, because this is critical. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is show you what this asset is. This asset is an AI smart website. Okay, essentially what this is, it is a website with AI voice agents, okay, so they can answer the phone, do customer support, talk to you like that. AI chatbots, okay, to do all text-based customer support and sales, okay, clean, sleek layout, smart forms, and a bunch of other stuff that make this a very high converting website. So you may have seen some of my other videos where we go over AI smart websites, and you've seen some of the other ones I built. Well, I just built a new one called Connor's Landscaping. It's cleaner, it's sleeker, it looks good, and it's built to convert better. Guys, and the crazy part is this entire AI asset that I built out for you is all in the snapshot. Okay, so we have the entire website built out in the snapshot. We have the AI voice agents, Jasmine, who is amazing, already plugged in, okay? We have the AI chatbot, Monica, already plugged in, pre-configured. Guys, these took so much work. Please use this. And then we have the smart forms already built in. So you're getting access to all of this stuff, this entire asset for free right down below. So make sure you check that out. And no, you don't have to sign up for my affiliate to get this. This one is completely free for you, but please use it. Actually, that's what I want you to do. So make sure you use it, because if you don't use it, then you're only cheating yourself, okay? So make sure you use this, because it took me a lot of time, okay? And I'm giving it for free. So utilize this thing ASAP. So the goal of a smart website is not only to be really great for selling your customers, it sells itself. And we're getting to this more later, but they can come on here and they can demo the AI voice agent, hear it talk to them, demo the AI chatbot, see the beautiful look of the website. And here's the cool part, okay, is that the AI will do the hard selling for you. And unlike other pitches where you are pitching the client, they are seeing a pitch to their potential clients. Much more powerful, because opposed to them being like, okay, I'm being pitched a service, they're seeing how their clients are being pitched a service, because guess what? It's selling people on landscaping or whatever niche. And that's another really important point. You can change this to any niche you want, but landscaping can still work with HVAC or anything. The point remains the same. So don't worry, you can still bring this up to any other niche and sell them on this exact thing. And you can sell AI smart websites and all these assets to pretty much any service-based business. These are just a couple: plumbers, dentists, lawyers, chiropractors, real estate, HVAC, med spa, auto repair, accountant, electrician, cleaning company, salon, landscaper, you name it, paver, pretty much any service-based business. That's what I'm saying. You can sell way more people. See, a lot of other services on high level, you have to sell to a more narrow amount of people because, well, they don't have it. But this is wide open. No one has this. AI is new. So you can sell to a huge amount of people, which will make your odds of making money and selling people go up drastically because you have way more people to sell. Okay, so now that you understand what this smart website is and everything that's in this free snapshot, now I need to explain to you why this is so important. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to set this up in a sec, but it is so important that you understand these 4 points, because they will change everything. So there's really 3 main reasons why they're so powerful. There is a bonus fourth one, which I'm going to go over in a sec, but these are critical. Okay, so the first thing is you can sell a smart website and these assets from anywhere from $297 a month to $597 a month to $997 a month, and even beyond that. They're very valuable. So the first really important thing you have to know about why this is so powerful is it solves core business problems. You're solving a real problem business owners already face: customer support and sales through phone and messages. It's an easier sell because it tackles core issues they deal with, unlike add-ons such as ads or social media. This is super critical. You're going up to them with an offer that is solving a pain point they already have. Okay, when you're trying to do add-ons like ads or social media or even reputation, it doesn't quite make sense to them, because it's like, this may help this or this may help that, and you have to convince them with this. You're already
already talking on the phone. You're already sending messages. Let me have AI take that away from you and do a better job than you and save you time. Very simple. You're solving a problem they were already dealing with. So this makes the sale way easier. And in my experience, what I've seen with selling these, it's been the easiest offer I've ever sold. That's been my experience. I mean, I'm not even kidding. People are like, oh, makes sense. Because it does. You're just saying, I'm going to take over the things that you spend so much time doing. Customer support and sales. The first really big thing, it's solving a problem they already have, which makes the sale easier. Number two, fast to set up. AI agents can be deployed through a smart website, integrate into an existing website, or spread across a brand's digital presence with ease. With the right templates, snapshots that I'm giving you, onboarding is very fast and simple. Huge. So many AI offers are hard to set up. There's back and forth with the clients. There's this or that. It's super tricky to do, and it takes time. If you can't nail the onboarding, you can't scale fast. Well, with this, you deploy a snapshot, okay? You can just take their old website or any info they have online, plug it into the knowledge base, make sure it's trained, and you're pretty much done. Now, yes, there'll be some tweaking as you go, but it is the fastest thing I've seen onboard. Also, you can deploy the AI agents like I showed you before on the website to other people's existing websites. So if they don't want a website, you can still sell them. So they can't give you an objection, because if they're like, well, I don't want this smart website, I already have a website, you can go, well, I can plug in the AI agents for you. I mean, it's literally super simple. You just copy some special code, paste it right into an editor, and you're done. And then you just paste the number there, and you get all of the benefits of high level on any website. So you basically have a super fast setup, which I'm telling you, the faster you can set up is the faster you can bring on more people. Now, the third reason is it's easy to run. It's beginner friendly. Okay, this offer requires very little ongoing work compared to most GoHighLevel offers, while still delivering high value and solving core problems. Guys, I have never seen something where if you have a snapshot and you plug it in, you're pretty much done, other than some ongoing tweaks. It's like you can be an absolute idiot and set this up. It's by far the easiest thing, and the ratio of value to setup is unreal. And I'm giving you these in the snapshot. You can check them out yourself right down below, where it shows you exactly what's in these, like I already showed you earlier, and you can see how much time I'm putting these up. It's simple, guys. It is so simple. I just haven't seen something this good. That's why I'm so passionate right now, is that I never had something like this when I first started. It was always more complicated setups. You needed to learn tech. You needed to convince people of things. Like, this offer just checks every box. It's a grand slam offer, and it's so easy to set up. So these three things are huge, very big. But there is a fourth reason why this is the best AI offer, and it's one of the most important parts, and that is the fact that it can be self-selling. Okay? When you give business owners and you say, hey, demo this, because that's what you do. You'll go to them, either whether it's cold email, however you're talking to them, networking, cold calling, and you can send them the URL, and you can just say, hey, give it a call, or have them call the number. And I mean, there's so many different ways you can spin this, and I have other videos, on ways to lure them in and whatnot. But they can see firsthand it working in action. See, with reputation management, with running ads, social media, any sort of automation, all these stuff, it's harder for them to see. They're kind of like, well, it works, but I'm not quite sure. They can see firsthand an AI robot just closed me on a landscaping job. Ooh, that's going to do really well with all the people that call Connor's Landscaping, or whoever, Connor's HVAC, whatever, insert niche name industry here. It's immediately showing them, not telling them, what it can do. And guys, I know I'm so passionate right now and geeking out, but it's because it's never been easier to land clients in the AI age. I know some people freak out about AI. It is the greatest thing ever for marketing. I mean, it's made everything so simple. So please utilize this, because this offer with those four components is unmatched. I've never seen anything like this. So now what I want to do, now that you understand the way all this works, I want to then move into setting up and deploying the snapshot very quickly, so you can see how easy it is to set up the pre-made template I have for you. So if you like what you're seeing and you really want to start an AI agency or scale one and really learn more about AI smart websites, I have a full community you can get for free by signing up with my 30-day free trial link of HighLevel right down below. Not 14 days, okay? It is an exclusive 30-day free trial link where when you sign up with that, you get access to tons of free bonuses. So the first thing is you get access to an entire community, okay, where you can post, ask questions, and all that stuff. Next, you get access to all of my trainings on how to master high level, okay, how to get clients, tons of snapshots. We know you love snapshots, in-depth sales scripts, okay, AI prompts, and tons of other amazing trainings to help you out. I mean, it's got so much stuff. The most valuable part here is it's got 5 live coaching calls you can attend for free on Zoom every single week to ask questions, network, see people face to face. So on Mondays, we have a call with me, and then every other day of the week, we have calls with different coaches. So you can learn more about prospecting, get your questions answered. I mean, so much, guys. 5 live coaching calls. And here's the coolest part. These aren't just VAs I hired. These are actual agency owners doing the same thing you're doing that have decided to help out and be coaches. So you're getting actual advice from real coaches that are doing it right now, not some people I hired for $3 an hour. So like, this is insane. You're getting access to all of this stuff. So when you sign up with that link down below, you're going to get access to this entire community, all this stuff, the trainings, the calls, the entire community, all of it for free. So please, if you're interested in really growing your agency or learning more about High Level, go down below, check out that 30-day free trial link. I think you're going to love it. And if you have any questions, drop a comment right down below. Back to the video. So now what I want to do very quickly is show you how to set up this snapshot. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started. So once you get the snapshot right down below, you download it, you import it into your account. So only a couple things we got to do. First is AI agents. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come right in here, go to agent list, click on Jasmine, and tweak any of the stuff you would want to tweak about the business name. Okay, so that's like, do you want it to be a different name? Do you want to change Jasmine's name? I recommend you don't do any of that because it's already perfectly set up, but you can if you want to. Then, if you want to change your voice, you can pick one of the voices we have in here. There's like a gazillion. You can just click listen and pick the voice you want. I think everything is good the way it is, but if you need to, you can change it. Next thing you need to do is you need to get a number, or you can import a number you already have into High Level, which takes a little bit of time, but you would just click buy new number, select one. Again, they're like $1.05, and you want to plug this in immediately. Once you get that in immediately, you're good to go. Okay, very simply, the AI voice agent is good. Now, here's the important part. Once you have said number, you want to copy and paste it because you now have the number. You want to come back because your AI agent will be live when you hook that all up. Come to sites, okay? Go to websites, click edit, come right in here, go to call now, come right down below, click this right here, click call, and put in the phone number right there, then click save up here. That's it. So then when someone clicks this, it will immediately pop up for them to call you. That's it for setting up the AI voice agent. How easy is that? Because guess what? I've already set up the AI voice agent. Like, you can come in here and just check for yourself. We come in agent goals, like, look at all this. I've pre-prompted this whole thing, connected to the calendar I've set up. I mean, it's so much stuff, and I recommend you guys test it, but it's already been set up. I've even thrown in a knowledge base in here, which is what it's trained on, which is Connor's landscaping, which when you get that, it just knows more things about landscaping. So simple as that, guys. It's all set up. Then we come over here, we come to conversational AI, and all you need to do with this is come in here. This is Monica, and make sure it's on live chat if it didn't go through on the snapshot and on autopilot. Click save, and then you're good. I mean, everything else is preset up. So that, I mean, you're seeing how easy this is. It's not a lot. The last thing, which you're gonna wanna make sure, because it doesn't always go through with the snapshot, is making sure the chat widget is installed. And very simply, if it's not in here, you can come into chat widget, which is Monica. If it's not in there, you can click new. You're going to click live chat. You're going to leave pretty much as is. You can change the picture because everything is already pre-set up. You're going to come to chat window. You're going to come to live chat assign. You're just going to toggle this off because if you read this right here, keep disabled if using conversation AI. Okay, so we're good to go here. We're going to click save. We're going to name this Monica 2, okay, save. We're gonna go right back. We're gonna come back to the website. We're gonna go to Connor's website. We're then gonna go to settings. And if you want Monica 2, you just pick her right there. And that would be if the chat widget didn't go through. Just to let you know, if you're a complete beginner, the chat bot just connects to a chat widget. Think of it as like the platform. It just has to connect. That's all the chat widget is. The chat widget is not the chat bot. The chat bot connects to the chat widget via the live chat. That's it. You're done. The entire thing is set up because I've already built this entire thing out for you. That's it. It's that easy. So please go down below and download the snapshot, plug it in instantly, and please start selling. I have a lot of videos on my channel, guys. Please check it out. If you have any questions too, you can drum down below. I'll help you out with this, but this is so, so important that you master this ASAP.
Well, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I seriously appreciate your viewership. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. I will answer them personally. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video at the end of this video that's going to go over all the bonuses you get when you sign up on High Level under me. Okay, and guys, all this stuff I'm going to show you is free. So take advantage of it, but it will blow you away. And in this video, I'm going to show you up front, we're going to go over all of it. We're going to go over people winning, really show you what's involved, like a really in-depth, full-on view of what you're getting when you sign up. One of the biggest things that I see beginners do wrong is they sign up with the wrong affiliate and they don't get the right bonuses, and then they just are stuck. You need good one-on-one help. You need hand-holding. You need people to tell you the truth and kind of have that uncomfortable conversation like, hey, you might not be doing enough. You might not be prospering enough. Like, these are real things that you're going to need. And in this community, okay, that you get for free when you sign up, we have all that. Like, it's got all of it. It's really, in my opinion, the best community, not just because I'm saying that and I'm biased, but because we have so many testimonials that people keep posting about how incredible it is and how it changed their life. So again, guys, thank you for watching. Drop a comment down below and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.